you just hit that start streaming button and you're live streaming on Twitch, Kick, or even YouTube. And let's just say you've had a good moment on your stream and you want to clip it. And you do that. You clip it on Twitch and you set it for later to download to post it on either YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram Reels. But as soon as you download that clip from Twitch, it kind of looks, well, pixelated. And let's just say, unfortunately, this is the issue that can be found with a lot of streamers. But there's actually an easier way to get these clips without having to worry about quality, and you'll know that they will be stored straight to your device and you don't have to download them from anywhere. Because yes, there's actually a setting on OBS that allows you to do this. And that setting is known as replay buffer. So here's how you can actually easily set up replay buffer under 5 minutes. Now first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your OBS. Next is go to your settings, and then go to your output where you'll find obviously your stream, your recording, and look at that, replay buffer. Now all you gotta basically do is enable replay buffer and select the length of time you want to actually have the replay to actually work. Now the way this actually works is it basically backtracks of the amount of time you have set. So if I, for example, with me, I normally have it for 30 seconds, which is more than enough for clips for my own streams. So with me having it on 30 seconds, I can just click a button and it will basically capture what happened in the past 30 seconds. Now you're probably going to ask, why is there memory usage at the bottom of that? Well, that just obviously tells you how much memory you'll actually use from your system to use replay buffer. It does of course increase if you go to a minute long or even longer. But if you are wanting to just get simple clips, I'll actually recommend at least 30 to 60 seconds. But once you have done that, you are basically ready. Now just have a precaution to make sure your clips are going to the right spots for you to actually find them later on after your stream. Just go to your recording settings and do make sure your recording destination for your clips does go to a folder that you know and you can actually easily locate after your streams. Because that's where replay buffers will also go straight to once you hit a clip. But all you gotta do now is hit start streaming and then hit start replay buffer. Now all you gotta do is enjoy your games or do just chatting. And once you have a clip that you're actually wanting to capture, just hit this arrow icon and just like that, you just made a clip with high quality and will actually look very nice when it comes to uploading it to any platforms that you're wanting to share your clips to. Now as a little bonus, there's actually a plugin that I do actually recommend to use if you're wanting to mostly get clips for vertical platform, and that would actually be the Aitum Vertical Plugin. Now it's actually very straightforward to also set up with a replay buffer, and obviously I have done a video of how you can actually set up the canvas for obviously streaming or even recording with this vertical plugin. But all you gotta do is basically hit the gear icon, go to your general, then you just gotta scroll down a bit lower where you just gotta basically make sure the box is ticked, and then obviously make sure the destination is going to your preferred file. And once you have done that, you now can actually get high quality vertical clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Instagram Reels. But otherwise, do let me know if you would be using this for your live streams or not. But otherwise, I do hope this video actually helped you out. And as always, I'll catch you guys next one. Be safe as always and have a good day. Bye.